Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery of your Savi's Workshop lightsaber. It's pretty easy to figure out and you don't need a lot of tools for it. All you need is a small screwdriver. And when I mean small, I don't mean this kind of small. I mean this kind of small. Let me look how small it is. So you need this very small screwdriver to replace the batteries. First, you need to unscrew the bottom of the hilt, like so. Then you push down, then twist to the right and pull out the socket that has the batteries inside. Like that. Next, you're going to find a small screw which is right here where the center is at. Then you're going to place your tiny screwdriver and then twist it. It doesn't need to be all the way out, but it'll be enough to take the socket out so you can replace the batteries. And then you pull out, like so. When you replace your batteries, you put them back into right here, negative to the springs, and positive to right here, etc. After that, you're going to find the pieces to connect them, so that way you can easily slide right in, then screw it back in. When you are done, put the battery socket back in, push down, twist, and it'll lock in place. Then you can screw on your cap back into your Savi lightsaber. And now we're going to test to see if the batteries work. So I'm just going to put this back in for the sound, my kyber crystal. As you can see, the sound already works when you put the crystal in. And now for the static sound. So far it worked. Now let's do the final touch, the saber itself. In 3, 2, 1. Slight delay, but that's fine. And now you have fresh new batteries in your saber and it's working like new again. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you guys out with your Savi's Workshop lightsaber. And make sure you subscribe to Captain Zach for more videos. Have a great day. See you all next time.